Welcome to Webstarpers. I hope you have watched my other videos on generating content using ChatGPT. ChatGPT makes it really easy when it comes to generating any type of content. In this video, we will learn how to generate marketing campaigns using marketing frameworks in ChatGPT or using ChatGPT. Marketing campaign is a broad term. I will explain what is a marketing campaign and what are marketing frameworks. So, what is a marketing campaign? What its format looks like, how is it used, and where is it used? A marketing campaign is a strategic and focused effort by a company to promote a specific product, service, or business goal. It involves a series of activities aimed at reaching and engaging a targeted audience through various channels. These channels can include digital platforms like social media, email, or websites, as well as traditional platforms like print media and television. The main objectives of marketing campaigns vary, but they typically include increasing brand awareness, attracting new customers, boosting sales, or improving customer retention. The key is to deliver a consistent and compelling message that resonates with your target audience. The general format for a marketing campaign includes the following. Number one is objective setting. Clearly define the purpose of your campaign. Number two, target audience. Identify who your campaign is for. What are their interests, needs, and preferences? The more specific you are, the more effective your campaign will be. Number three, campaign message. Develop a compelling message that resonates with your audience. This is where creativity comes into play. The message should be tailored to your audience and aligned with your campaign objectives. Number four, marketing channels. Decide on the most appropriate channels to reach your target audience. This can depend on where your audience spends most of their time, the nature of your message, and your budget. Number five, budget planning. Determine how much you are willing to spend on the campaign. This should include costs for creating content, channel use, and any additional promotional activities. But marketing campaigns can be free as well. Number six, implementation. Execute your campaign according to your plan. This includes launching ads, sending emails, posting on social media, etc. Number seven, evaluation. Assess the effectiveness of your campaign by tracking specific metrics. This could include click through rates for digital ads, number of new customers, sales, reviews, and others. Based on the results, you can make necessary adjustments for future campaigns. A successful marketing campaign requires a well thought out strategy, a clear understanding of your audience, and continuous evaluation and refinement. Now, a campaign cannot be generated without content. I am going to show you how can you generate content for a campaign by using specific techniques and marketing frameworks. Most popular marketing frameworks are AIDA, PAS, BAV, and FAB. AIDA framework stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. PAS framework stands for problem, agitate, and solution. BAB framework stands for before, after, and bridge. FAB framework stands for features, advantages, and benefits. These models are used in marketing to describe the stages a customer goes through in the purchase process. And these models also act as blueprint for effective advertising and selling techniques. Let's generate content for a marketing campaign based on these frameworks. First one is AIDA. Ignore all previous instructions, do not self-reference, do not explain what you are doing. Here is the context. Voice tone should be professional, writing style should be persuasive, language English, business or services. I'm going with web development services, business that offers WordPress website development. Here are the instructions. You are an expert copywriter. According to the context provided, write a witty AIDA, attention, interest, desire, and action marketing campaign for mentioned business or services. Here is the prompt. So here is the output. Okay. Highlight the attention, interest, desire, and action parts. So this is the attention part, this is interest part, then desire, then action. We have marketing campaign material based on AIDA framework. Attention part is designed to grab the reader's attention and draw them into the rest of the message. This is, are you tired of getting lost in the digital sea, yearning for an anchor to steady your online presence? Is your website feeling more like ghost town than a bustling cityscape? If your answer is resounding yes, then you have arrived at your solution. Interest part. Interest part is where the products or services benefits and value propositions are highlighted to further engage the reader. So imagine a world where your digital space is not just an address, but a destination. Your website becomes an irresistible siren song, drawing your target audience in with captivating creative and user-friendly interfaces that speak directly to their needs. This is the magic of WordPress web development, and our team is ready to cast this spell for you. And here is the desire part. Desire part is where the message focuses on the reader's needs and wants, stirring up a sense of desire and urgency. So it goes like, our seasoned experts in web development are pioneers in harnessing the power of WordPress. We sculpt your dreams into tangible online reality that's not just aesthetically pleasing but functional and future proof. We take pride in delivering digital experiences that sparkle with professionalism and authenticity. Here is the action part. Action part prompts the reader to take a specific action involving purchasing a product or getting in touch for more information. It goes like, ready to plunge into the world of digital transformation. Your ship is waiting. Contact us today and let's set sail towards your online success. We assure you it's not just a journey, but a joyride. Now we can use each part of this text in marketing campaign according to our requirement. In this prompt, we just need to mention our product or service, and ChatGPT generates this amazing marketing template for us. Very useful in my opinion. This is a template. Remove the words attention, interest, desire, and action from this template before actually using it. It can be used in marketing emails, newsletter emails, promotional videos, or any other marketing channel. Now let's use other marketing frameworks to generate marketing template for same business. Let's go with PAS. Ignore all previous instructions, do not self-reference, do not explain what you are doing. Context, voice tone professional, writing style persuasive, language English, business or services are same. And here are the instructions. You are an expert copywriter. According to the context provided, write a witty PAS, problem, agitate, and solution marketing campaign for mentioned business or services. Do you find your business floundering in the vast ocean of the internet? Your website adrift among countless others, unnoticed and unvisited. Maybe you have poured your time, money, and effort into creating a website, but it's turned out to be more of an invisible island than a beacon of light, failing to attract and retain your target audience. Worse yet, every day spent with a less than ideal website is another missed opportunity. Your competitors are racing ahead, their websites pulling in traffic and conversions, while you are left grappling with a digital presence that's lackluster at best. The frustration is palpable as you are left wondering why your website isn't bringing the result you desire. Okay, highlight the problem, agitate, and solution parts. So here is the problem. Problem part identifies the problem that potential customers might be facing. And then agitate part escalates the issue and stresses the potential damage or drawbacks if the problem is not addressed. Then there is solution part. The solution though is closer than you think. Our team of web development experts specialize in WordPress, the world's leading website platform, and so on. So solution part presents these services as the answer to these problems. You get the idea, right? Let's proceed to next marketing framework, that is BAB. Ignore all previous instructions. Context is same. You are an expert copywriter. According to the context provided, write a witty BAB, before after bridge marketing campaign for mentioned business or services. Highlight before after bridge parts as well. So this is the before part. You've watched as your website struggles to make a dent in the digital universe. You have poured time, energy, and resources into building an online presence only to see it fall flat. Your site lacks the vibrancy and engagement necessary to draw your audience, and your digital dream seems to be crumbling. So, this is the before part. Before part illustrates the problems, pain points, or challenges that potential customers are currently facing. After part now envision a future where your website is a beacon guiding your audience towards your services or products. After part paints a picture of what life could look like after the problems are solved with the product or service. And then we have bridge part. Bridge part connects the before scenario with the after scenario by presenting the product or service as the solution. And it goes like this: transformation doesn't have to be a distant dream. It's within your reach with our team of expert WordPress web developers and so on. Okay, so here's our last marketing framework. Ignore all previous instructions. Context is same. Instructions are these. You're an expert copywriter. According to the context provided, write a witty FAB, features, advantages, benefits marketing campaign for mentioned business or services. This framework is self explanatory. It highlights features of product or services, its advantages and benefits. So, here are the features, advantages, and benefits. And here's the CTA. Get in touch with us today and let's chart out the path to your digital success. We don't just deliver websites, we deliver destinations that your audience will love to visit and explore. The future of your digital presence is bright with us. Amazing, right? So there you go. Now you can pick marketing framework of your choice and generate marketing campaign template using it. Then you can use that template in your marketing campaign. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.